Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root. Next, we put the square for the both sides, so we can cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du equal to 5 over 2 s to the power of 5 over 2 minus 1 dx. This is about 3 over 2. Because we don't have 5 over 2 in here, so we divide both sides by 5 over 2. And we have 4 over 5. The square root we change for u. This one with the s we change for 4 over 5 u du. U and u we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.